Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Remote Contractor Management Review My Usage Experience. Remote Contractor Management Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for managing remote contractors. Its main purpose is to streamline the process of onboarding, tracking progress, managing payments, and communicating with remote contractors. The target audience is businesses or individuals who hire and manage remote workers. Key features likely include contractor profiles, project management tools, and time tracking capabilities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. The service positions itself as a solution to simplify the complexities of managing remote teams. They highlight ease of use and pricing transparency, claiming no hidden fees, though contract details would need to be checked on their site. Availability appears to be global, based on their online presence, but specific regional limitations should be verified. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Remote Contractor Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, with clear instructions and helpful tutorials. I found navigating the interface intuitive. The dashboard is well organized and presents crucial information at a glance. I particularly appreciated the time tracking feature, which automatically generates detailed reports, making invoicing a breeze. I was able to easily assign tasks, track progress, and communicate with my contractors all within the platform. The performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any glitches or slowdowns. I had a quick question about integrating with my existing payroll system, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have made it even more convenient for on-the-go management. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Remote Contractor Management Review My Usage Experience. It significantly streamlined my workflow and improved communication with my remote team. That's my overview of Remote Contractor Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.